Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to auto download PDF file and redirect to custom page or thank you page after form submission in WP Form plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our form and we are using WP Form plugin. So this is plugin we are using. Now go to form page. So this is our form. So when user fills the information and then click on download or submit button. So after submission, PDF file download start auto and after few seconds redirect to custom page or thank you page by using custom code. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select JavaScript snippet, now click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our JavaScript code and then you see WP form. So this is our form ID 2788. Now go to form page. So this is form we are using and then you see ID 2788. Now back to custom code. So you can add your form ID here 2788 and then you see submit and then you see PDF download link. So you can add your PDF link here. So when user click on submit, then PDF download start auto and after few seconds and then you see PDF name your custom PDF.pdf. So you can add PDF file name according to requirement. Now you see and then you see redirect to thank you page or custom page after a short delay. Now you see 2000, adjust the delay as needed. 2 seconds. If you want to change delay you can add 4000, 5000, 1000 for 1 second, 2 seconds. So it's up to you. And then you see link, custom link page. So you can add thank you page link or custom page link according to requirement. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location site wide header. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to download page. So this is a form page and refresh the page. So after that we are going to fill this form. So we are going to add some information. So we added some information and then you see submit button, so click on it and then you see PDF download auto. So this is our name, so click on save and then you see after few seconds redirect to custom page after form submission. Now download done, open it and then you see file name. So you can set file name according to requirement and you will find this custom code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.